how to buy a Hostinger domain step by step. So this is very quick tutorial, very easy. I just did it yesterday, so let me just show you how you can do it. So make sure you have the account in the hostinger.com, and once you have your account, go to hpanel.hostinger.com. So from this panel, if you are in home section, here is the AI preview, and here you can ask what you want. So for example, you want to get a domain, or you can go to domains section here, and here you will see all your domains. And if you want a new one, here you can click get a new domain. If you have a new Hostinger plan, you can claim your free domain. So I'm gonna click get a new domain, and now you can search for your domain name. So now you have to check if the domain is available. If I want to, for example, take mybusinessname.com, you can apply it here, and it says this domain is already taken. So make sure to create the unique domain, otherwise it's gonna be expensive or you don't gonna get it. But the .com is taken, but you don't have to use .com. You can use other, for example, .online, it's cheap. As I said, .ai is more expensive. So once you're satisfied with your domain's name and it's available, you can click add to cart. And here is your cart. You can select the year if you want 1 year or 2 years. You can select if you want the domain shield, but it's another $10 or euros a year. And you can add starter business email, but you don't have to. Then continue to checkout, and now add your owner's name and choose your payment method, and then you can just complete your domain purchase. Also, with the link in down below in description, you can get 20% off your hosting, and with this hosting is a free domain, so you don't have to buy it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.